Let's go to the beautiful continent of Africa, where we're just going to do our lovely, beautiful moves. You need just the one kettlebell and your own flavor. Okay, let's go. And again, bring your flavor.
I'm gonna get my shima. I don't put my weight in my. Say my caliber, I'm a waiting, oh, bana winner.
Just a simple couple of moves. It's still warming up.
Oh baby, pull up in my bima. You know promising that in a way to do. Ooh, people, when I relate, oh, I saw the body just take baby. I'm a you late, oh. I say where people, what's the relate, oh. I saw the body just take baby. When I be better,
we'll take it back.
I got to love for me. I got to love. Chad Malin ain't no ghostwriter. How I they give them better lamba? Pull my weight, ain't no boss tighter. Oluwa too much, oh. Oluwa too much, oh. Man just they ask why you still love on me. Baba you too much, oh. Man still they ask why you too love. Why people, when I relate, oh. I saw the badu just take baby. I'm a you late, oh.
And again, come on.
I say why people, what's the relate, oh. I said the badu just take baby. When I be better.
Take it back, let's go.
I got to love for me. I got to love.
Okay, we're taking it down into a low squat and we're kicking at the top. Go to where you can. Here's fine with the music. Power. Strong, keep it strong. Few more. You want to push that foot out. Not a girly kick. A few more. Breathe. Okay, pick up and twist. Down. To the side. Down. We want to use the opposite leg twisting to help us get round and avoid injury. Keep your form strong. Back to the squats, let's go. Here. Power. Breathe. Only go as low as you can. You're working your mobility as well as your strength and endurance. Come on, let's go. Breathe. Don't forget to use that twist in the other leg. That's it. Bam. Few more. Well done.